if you guys are using Windows, now there's a really easy way for you to install OpenClaw and enjoy kind of the best upgrades and
Okay.
everything that you have, like the rest of us.
Mm.
So I do have the apology to make for the start video because a lot of us, when I started on a Mac,
Yeah.
and then we went on Termius. But the problem is, if you're a Windows user, you probably don't want any of this, right? And installing OpenClaw on a Windows computer, which is our current streaming computer,
Mm.
is actually quite a pain.
Yep.
Okay, so you gone through this, Ron,
Of
right?
course.
Um,
Yes.
so you're trying to run it on a gateway. You're trying to run it with PowerShell,
Yep.
copying a bunch of commands over.
Yeah.
And initially, we thought this process was going to take you like minutes,
Yeah.
but
It took me
it took
2 hours
you 2 hours.
just to set it up. The Nemo Claw video that we did. It is
It's a big
pain.
pain,
Yeah.
right? So Nut Studio boils this down and gets it done in minutes.
Mm.
All right. So Windows it's just not. I don't know. It's not built for this. But that being said, you guys are in luck because Nut Studio, it includes everything that you have into one download. So we're gonna
Okay.
test that out. So they reached out for us to say, hey, why don't you guys try this out? And I thought, oh yeah, sure. It actually makes sense,
Yeah.
right? So one click, one install. It's on Windows. Let's see how Windows works. And here's the installation process. It's just one button. Um,
I'm actually pretty excited to see how this goes because back at home I use Windows
right.
and I don't want to carry this Mac back home. It's too heavy.
It's funny because like yet again on our channel, like because we use Macs, a lot of the commands we copy and paste
Yep.
are compatible between Mac and Linux.
Mhm.
But that being said, Windows is not our friend for the longest time. So let's see how this performs, and let's see how this actually rolls everything into one. So it rolls everything that you have in OpenClaw, but it also rolls extensions and the ability to use other models
Mm.
all into one config. So like say for example, you have Gemini Pro, you have Minimax, you have GPT, all rolled into this. So you have a selector to run it and the installation process. Well, let's test it out if it's really
Yeah.
3 minutes or not here. It's also got built-in skills to choose from. So it's really trying to replicate all that you have on, say, something like Claude Code,
Yeah.
but without the expenses of Claude Code.
Mm.
So something I do want to say, what makes OpenClaw powerful right now is to bring your own model approach. Because you can bring multiple different models to OpenClaw, it still makes OpenClaw very viable, as opposed to getting locked into the Claude Code ecosystem, which is nice to use, but the cost adds up over time.
Most definitely.
So I'm still going through it. So it simplifies all the installation that you have to do with Docker. So if you ever try to install Docker on Windows, it's a giant nightmare. I think when we went on that, you said when you said you're gonna run Docker, I was like, you know what, get out of here.
But I proved them wrong.
You proved them wrong.
It took 2 hours, which is 2 hours I'll never get back.
Yes, 2 hours you never get back, exactly. So 3 minutes. We'll click start now for Nut Studio. So let's see, Nut Studio here. Let's make this work. I wait for services to load. So it's meant to do everything in the back end whilst we're waiting. So let's wait for this to happen. So it has all the OpenClaw management in one place.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
Immediately already.
All right. Let's see. Let's see if I can say hi. But let's say it's going on Quinn. Okay. Coder next. So it's a little bit hot. I have to sign in first. Sorry. So you do have to sign in to use it first, which makes sense. All right. Okay. So out of the gate, ooh, it's start thinking. All right. Okay. So it's both Chinese and English. Respond in English. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Now we're in English. Okay. The one that you want to change is you want to change to account English. Okay, so one thing that I do notice is that it has a very good dashboard that's configured from the get-go, which is actually quite vital. If you actually tried, one of the issues that we had on our Windows install, especially on this PC, was that OpenClaw wouldn't load the dashboard because it ran on administrator, which was another account.
Yeah.
But this sorted out the administration process for us,
Mm.
right? So it was fast enough to make sure that it was good.
Mhm.
It has custom skills. So some of the skills are in Chinese. I did notice. But that being said, language is no longer an issue.
Yeah, it's not an issue anymore.
Not an issue anymore.
Yeah.
So it already has channel. It has already some cron drops available. It has docx, so you can use docx.
Mhm.
Okay, and has MCP on this.
Mm.
Interesting. So it's pretty much like ready to run OpenClaw.
Yeah.
I would say that's the difference between this and other installs. Like if you have OpenClaw ready, you can add these claws yourself.
Mhm.
But what makes a big difference here is that this is already pre-installed.
Yeah.
The other thing I find a little bit innovative over here is that the chat connections, in terms of UI, are a lot easier. So back in the day, if you want to configure OpenClaw to work with Discord, we have a whole video on that. That's a 10-minute video.
Yeah.
And it required you to go through command lines and set that up. But what's kind of interesting here is you can actually just directly go and just paste your Discord
Oh
token
wow. Okay.
into that, press save, and you're good to go.
Mm.
Right? So I feel like they made it much easier to use.
Mm.
Right? In terms of what you have. So you have iMessage, Telegram, everything here, and it's with UI. And it's something we're used to, not like CLI, command line, right? As much as I like command line, it's a little bit too crazy. So they're also growing in terms of what it supports. So this is the first product. So they want to do more products in terms of their package.
Mhm.
But in terms of their current cost, what they cost is they cost $20. So this is your typical modern AI systems. They cost a month for a light plan for $11.99 a month.
Mhm.
But you can actually try it out beforehand. So I think the key here is that because they offer you points and login bonuses, try it for the tasks that you want to do,
Mhm.
and it already runs and runs it for you,
Mm.
right? And that's the difference. So overall, here's what I would take on it. If you have Windows, this is like golden for you
Yeah.
because Windows, there's just no good way of installing it without going through very heavy command line work, which doesn't work.
Yeah.
All right. Not for everyone. It's like 2 hours of your time. Like, is your 2 hours of your time worth, $19.99? Absolutely not. It's worth more than that, right?
Yeah.
So if you get this, you get the different models too, and then you get to evolve as well as they add points to the system to it.
Yeah.
What I say is this is one of the easiest ways to try. And if you want something more advanced, you can host your own and you can add costs to that. But I think that's the easiest way to get this up and running.
Mhm.
So that's our take on NetStudio, guys. It is one of the easiest ways to install on Windows, and yeah, just really configure it and just click through UI, get everything set up and running. And I think that's the easiest solution for now.
Yep.
All right, with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Sean and